Hi friends, welcome to Biology Tutor. Today we are going to discuss about Employees State Insurance Corporation Staff Nurse Exam 2019 question paper shift to part 3. This is a continuation of yesterday's video. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button for notifications. Among the following, the bone that belongs to the axial skeleton is Patella, Humerus, Hyoid, Tarsals. Which is the answer? Here answer is 3. Hyoid. You can see pictures on left side of the slide. Above the Adam's apple is the hyoid bone, which helps suspend the larynx in the neck. The hyoid bone is connected to the tongue and jaw muscles above and the thyroid cartilage below. Patella. The patella, also known as the kneecap. Kneecap is known as patella. What is humerus? The humerus is a long bone in the arm that runs from the shoulder to the elbow, also known as adel. The tarsal bones are 7 in number. They are named the calcaneus, talus, cuboid, navicular, and the medial, middle, and lateral cuneiforms. They are situated proximally in the foot in the angle area. You can see these bones in the left side picture. Next question. An immovable joint is called 1. Synarthrosis, B. Amphiarthrosis, 3. Polyarthritis, 4. Diarthrosis. Which is the answer? Here answer is 1. Synarthrosis. An immovable joint is called synarthrosis. Immovable joints called synarthrosis include skull sutures, the articulations between the teeth and the mandible, and the joint found between the first pair of ribs and the sternum. An amphiarthrosis is a joint that has limited mobility. An example of this type of joint is the cartilaginous joint that unites the bodies of adjacent vertebrae. Filling the gap between the vertebrae is a thick pad of fibrocartilage called an intervertebral disc. Polyarthritis. Polyarthritis occurs when 5 or more joints are affected with joint pain. A freely mobile joint is classified as a diarthrosis. These types of joints include all synovial joints of the body, which provide the majority of body movements. A biaxial joint allows for motions within 2 planes. An example of a biaxial joint is a metacarpophalangeal joint, knuckle joint of the hand. Don't forget to enroll for free online mock test series of staff nurse nursing officer exam at www.microbiologytutor.com. Which of the following is the true statement about the edge zone of the sarcomere? 1. It contains thin filaments only. 2. It contains thick filaments only. 3. It contains thick and thin filaments lying side by side. 4. It is devoid of thick or thin filaments. Which is the answer? Here answer is 2. It contains thick filaments only. Edge zone of the sarcomere contains thick filaments only. left side you can see the structure of sarcomere. A sarcomere is a repeating unit within the myofibril of skeletal muscle cells. The sarcomere is split into the H-zone, A-band, I-band, M-line and Z-line. The H-zone consists of myosin only. The I-band consists of actin only, and the A-band contains both actin and myosin. The M-line holds together the thick myosin filaments. The Z-line differentiates between each sarcomere. During the contraction of skeletal muscle cells, the A-band stays the same length, whereas the H-zone and I-band decrease in length. The distance between the Z-line also decreases. That is all about sarcomere and its zones. Next question. Tropomyosin in the muscle fiber is a dash protein. 1. Contractile, 2. Structural, 3. Anchoring, 4. Regulatory. Which is the answer? Here answer is 4. Regulatory. Tropomyosin in the muscle fiber is a regulatory protein. Tropomyosin is a protein found in the actin filaments in muscles. Depolarization in nerve action potential is due to 1. Opening of sodium channels, 2. Opening of potassium channels, 3. Closing of sodium channels, 4. Opening of calcium channels. Which is the answer? Here answer is 1. Opening of sodium channels. Depolarization in nerve action potential is due to opening of sodium channels. Thank you. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button for notifications. All the best for your exams.